Take a ride in the 2021 Cadillac XT5. The Cadillac XT5 was crafted to adapt to your needs while expressing your distinctive sense of style. Visually striking and intelligently designed, this crossover outsmarts any task with progressive technology and an accommodating interior. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, turbocharged, panoramic roof, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, wheel locks, privacy glass, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.